Okay, I'm ready whenever you are.
Go.
Oh, I missed, but okay, it's fine.
Smooth.
Yeah, thanks.
Heal issue. Oh.
Yeah.
I've been mobbed by deer.
Oh dear.
Okay. Guess what I'm gonna do?
Go back.
No.
Oh, waypoint the exit.
Yep. I did something smart for a change.
There, I labeled mine exit important. Hey Nathan,
Yes.
guess what I just found?
Lapis.
Yep. And guess what we don't need anymore?
Nope. Oh.
Ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. Ouch.
Oh dear Lord, seriously.
Ouch. I can't corner myself. I don't use blocks. Ouch.
What are we gonna do with you?
I think I'm the comedic balance of the group. And by that I mean I'm comedically bad at this game.
I saw something jump down the hole. I'm like, what the hell is that? And that was you.
I was going to say, if you accidentally killed me just now, I would do something.
that came closer to happening than I would care to admit.
Hey Nathan.
Yes.
I just got I just mined stuff.
You have any idea how little that narrows it down?
It's the stuff we need for the Millennium Edition system.
Right.
And any flight energistic stuff, really. Ouch.
Would you quit trying to get yourself killed?
Do you think I'm doing it on purpose?
You seem to just sort of rush into things.
That is an accurate assumption. Accurate
He'll get there eventually, the poor fecker.
That is an accurate assessment, is what I'm trying to say.
Oh dear.
What?
Now I'm rushing into things.
I like how you we're making fun of you for doing something, and you proceed to go do the same thing I was doing. Ouch.
I don't even know where you are now. So
I'm
not gonna be able to stop you from getting yourself killed.
Ouch. Die. I need to hide in a corner and heal. I am in a very dark room and I cannot see.
You are likely to be eaten by a grue.
By a what?
A grue.
Like that character from Despicable Me?
No. Like that monster in the classic Crystal Caves game.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
That thing is so old, it's not only before your time, it's before my time.
That's really saying something.
I'm not that old.
You're 45, Nathan. That's old to me, okay?
Kids these days.
Let's see, I have 17 Certus quartz. How about you?
Let's not talk about that.
You have 0, got it.
You know me too well.
I just found a bunch of destabilized redstone.
Oh yeah, that's not terribly useful, as it turns out.
In fact, I'm gonna start drowning in destabilized redstone.
Skill issue.
No, I couldn't swim out of it for some reason. It was weird.
Yes, it has some weird properties.
I noticed.
So yeah, one of the things I did in this pack is once you've found a particular material that is found in a particular dimension, you usually find it in subsequent dimensions as well. That was terribly explained.
So basically, we can find Certus quartz in any other dimension we go to, is what you're saying.
After this, yeah. With some exceptions, but generally, yes.
With some exceptions being like the Nether and the Overworld.
No, I mean, like, I don't think it's in the tropics, and I don't think it's in Adam, but I think
Ouch.
the mining dimension and the mining dimension and the hunting dimension and Deep Dark will all have them.
Oh my god, I found a big horned sheep and it's pink. Ouch.
I'm being skeletoned.
Oh, I thought that was me being skeletoned.
Oh, we might have both been being skeletoned.
I have found more Certus.
I have. The skeleton has been Nathaned.
I'm gonna pretend I know what that's supposed to mean.
That means I killed it.
Ah. Hey Nathan,
Yes.
guess what I just found?
More Certus.
No. Diamond.
Diamond?
Yeah.
Ah!
Hey Nathan,
Yes.
is it bad that I'm at the point where I'm thinking I need to make a second backpack for the organization's sake?
Yes. I'm gonna say yes to that.
Can I can I put a backpack in a backpack?
No.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say I should become even more organized and have my backpack. Ouch. Ouch. I like the no. I think these guys' death noise is funny.
A lot of their noise is funny.
Ouch. There's a Skelly and an Endy up there. Ouch. Let me heal
Have
in
any
peace.
of us killed an Enderman yet?
Mm,
Yes, we have.
I was about to say,
We've
isn't
completed
that
the quest.
I have 39 quartz of the Certus variety.
I have, well,
0 still?
nope, I have 37. So you still win.
Alright. Well, that together is like a stack, I think.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Boom, boom, head.
That was weird.
What?
The creeper explosion sound was like full volume and then it just randomly cut out partially through. Here, let's see if it does it again. Yeah, it cut out again for some reason.
Yeah, it did for me too.
Okay.
You're not going crazy.
Well, I mean, I am, but that's besides the point.
Okay. This is not an instance of it. Yes.
Okay, now that I am finally healed and I have eaten half the food I brought with me.
That's a lot of mobs in there.
Oh my god. Yeah, well.
I said that was a lot of mobs in there.
Yeah, I didn't put, yeah, and I just ran.
Oh, and they're having trouble swimming up the waterfall. What a surprise.
Ouch. 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 I'm being zombied to death. Ow. I don't know why I said ow, that didn't hurt.
That's a theme apparently,
Yes.
as has been previously discussed.
I am also apparently now accustomed to the weight of the cobalt pickaxe.
Ah, you've gained a modifier slot.
Nathan,
Yes.
do you know how I was doing the weird glidey thing?
Am I doing it now?
Yeah.
Okay. On my screen, I'm not. How much Certus do you have now?
48.
I have 61.
Oh. Is that enough for now?
Yes. Should we go back home and start doing technical shit?
Yes.
Assuming I can figure out how to get out of this damn cave.
And assuming I can figure out how to speak English.
Oh, I think we've all given up on that.
Yeah. My brain was blanking on the word yes for a second.
How can you have forgotten the word that you use for everything?
No.
thanks. I hate it.
Hey, look. Exit. Important.
Eh.
I almost just fell into the cave.
Smooth.
Yeet. Time to go dump a bunch of stuff into the Bob. I'm a Bob.
The Bob of a Bob.
The Bob of a Bob. Well, I was gonna grab a chest, but we would need to redirect the flux stocks. Do you have more of those on you, Nathan? Or
I have no, as it turns out.
what did you do with all the ones you had?
I don't know.
Because don't you craft like 16 at a time or
Yes.
something?
Well, 6 at a time, and then I used 1, and now I don't know where the other 5 are.
Okay. Because I'm redirecting the.
They're in the tools bin that I just looked at 3 times.
Skill issue.
Yep.
I'm throwing a chest on the refinery. That way we can do a bunch of crap in it and just let it do its thing.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna.
Just.
There we go. Okay. I'll pick up all that later. I just want to get out the ores in the chest.
So probably the next thing I should do is make an induction smelter. Because with that we can make steel. And we can make our free power generators.
Yes, that would be very good, I think.
Guess what I need for the induction smelter that I already smelted up.
What?
Sand.
We needed sand and not glass?
Apparently, yes.
Well, time to go tear up a riverbed.
We needed. What?
Time to go tear up the riverbed.
Oh.
You know what I'm really tempted to do right now? Wow, this place is deeper than I thought.
Hey. That explains the digging noises I just heard.
You know what would be funny to leave for comedic effect?
What?
The hole in the ceiling, that way we can just fall.
Oh my god.
How
far am I willing to go for the lulls?
We're gonna pretend I didn't, say fault my speech synthesizer. Is your skin... Stop moving. Is your character wearing glasses?
My character is.
Okay. How am I just now noticing?
You shouldn't be... How are you seeing my character when I'm wearing a bunch of shit?
Your head is not wearing anything.
Really?
Yes.
That's not supposed to be happening.
I mean, I'm visibly not wearing anything either, but I am wearing a full set of iron armor.
Yes, but I didn't disable my, what do I look like now?
You're wearing your helmet.
And now?
Not wearing your helmet.
And now?
Not wearing your helmet.
Okay. I was wearing a zombie head in my cosmetic armor slot.
Yeah, it definitely did not look like you were wearing a zombie head in your cosmetic slot.
Okay. Well, would you like to work on making a couple of thermoelectric generators?
If you really me things.
Well, I'm working on the thing to make the steel. Would you like to work on the rest of it?
What do we need steel for?
The thermoelectric. Yes.
The 3 steel ingots at the top, yes. Okay. I need to make an engineer's hammer. Unless you have one already.
Do I? I don't think I do. Well, you can go look in my tools bin. That's where it would be if I have it, but I don't think so.
Ouch. I accidentally just closed your trapdoor in my face.
Smooth.
You do not, so I'm going to make one. Nathan, did you take all of our iron?
All of it shouldn't be. I have like 46. That's it.
Yeah, that's all of our iron. Nathan.
That's all. Oh wow.
Plus the 30 in my inventory.
Okay then.
Okay.
There might be some in my valuables chest.
Oh, I theoretically
Unless
have enough.
you've yoinked that as well.
No, I haven't. Alright, Nathan, I just need your steels.
Okay.
How many generators do you want me to make, actually?
2. Let's start
2?
with.
Okay. Okay, this is way more...
Oops, I didn't mean to do that.
Yeah, you need the coal, and I literally only needed enough wood to make 2 sticks.
Why don't you work on a glacial precipitator?
What?
A glacial precipitator.
I am forever going to refer to the thing as the icy boy. Hey Nathan, I have the freezy boy.
Nice. Connect it up to power, and that's as reasonable as anything we're probably going to do in this playthrough.
It's technically connected up to power. You pacing between your ladder and not your letters definitely staying in my video. And just like that, we have 2 thermoelectric generators.
Nice.
I know I am. I assume this hole you dug out here is where we're going to put the generators.
Yes. Do you have the... Oh, you blocked... Oh, that's fine. Do you have the uranium?
Nope. I will go... You need 2 blocks, correct?
Yes.
Look what I just happened to have in my hand. I feel like directly holding uranium is not, good.
What these thermoelectric generators do is you put something hot on one side, like lava or uranium. You put something cold on the opposite side, like water or ice, and it generates power for free. Guess how many cables I'm short?
We have a way of covering up this hole, or is there forever going to be that hole in our wall?
There is. Something called a structural duct.
Quack.
Duct with a T, thank you very much.
Quacked.
So what structural ducts do is basically you craft them with a block, and you can use them to make covers.
And now we just have a cable going into our wall.
Yes. I could chisel something nicer looking.
That way it actually kind of looks like an outlet of sorts.
Yes. Why don't I do that? So I'm going to chisel this factory block into a block called grate.
Well, that's just great.
Here's a drawing I'd made of that joke during the half an hour I saw it coming. That looks suitably sockety, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, there we go.
Yes,
okay.
Grate is a good block for covers for cables of this size.
Some could even say it's a great block.
Yeah. Is this probably a good time to call this? Because it's almost 1:30 in the morning. Yes. All right.
Any last words to end the session?
Well, if you've watched all my videos, you know we don't do that around here.
I think us walking around in circles around the crafting table is going to be the outro at this point.